In the world of herbal medicine, few plants exude the warmth and vitality of ginger. With its robust flavor and potent medicinal properties, ginger has earned a revered place in both culinary and therapeutic traditions. This Materia Medica explores the multifaceted nature of ginger, delving into its botanical characteristics, historical uses, modern applications, and the scientific insights that illuminate its healing potential. Botanical overview. Genus and species, Zingiber officinale. Family, Zingiberatae. Common names, ginger, ginger root, Zingiber. Parts used, the rhizome, the horizontal underground plant stem capable of producing the shoot and root systems of a new plant. It is important to note that the information shared in this video is for educational purposes only. It is not intended to diagnose, treat, cure, or prevent any disease. I recommend consulting with a qualified healthcare provider before trying anything new. Botanical characteristics. Ginger is a flowering plant native to Southeast Asia, renowned for its knobby rhizomes and slender reed-like stems. The plant's rhizomes, or underground stems, are the primary source of ginger used in both culinary and medicinal preparations. Ginger plants produce clusters of white or yellow flowers, adding a touch of elegance to their lush green foliage. Historical and cultural significance. Throughout history, ginger has been cherished for its culinary delights and medicinal virtues. From ancient civilizations to modern societies, ginger has been a symbol of prosperity, hospitality, and well-being. In traditional Ayurvedic and Chinese medicine, ginger is revered for its ability to invigorate the body, stimulate digestion, and dispel coldness from the system. Therapeutic properties. 1. Digestive support. Ginger's most celebrated attribute lies in its ability to soothe digestive discomfort and promote healthy digestion. It acts as a carminative, helping to alleviate gas, bloating, and indigestion. Ginger stimulates the production of digestive enzymes, facilitating the breakdown and absorption of nutrients. 2. Anti-inflammatory effects. Ginger contains potent bioactive compounds, including gingerol, shogal, and paradol, which exhibit anti-inflammatory properties. These compounds help alleviate inflammation throughout the body, making ginger a valuable ally in managing inflammatory conditions such as arthritis and osteoarthritis. 3. Immune modulation. Ginger's immune-modulating effects contribute to its reputation as a natural defender against infections and illnesses. It supports immune function by enhancing the activity of immune cells and promoting overall immune resilience. 4. Nausea relief. Ginger has long been used as a remedy for nausea and motion sickness. Its antiemetic properties help calm the stomach and alleviate feelings of queasiness. Ginger is especially beneficial for pregnant women experiencing morning sickness. Modern applications. In contemporary herbalism, ginger finds its way into a myriad of formulations, including teas, tinctures, capsules, and culinary creations. Ginger tea is a popular remedy for digestive complaints and cold symptoms, offering a comforting blend of warmth and healing. Ginger extracts and supplements provide concentrated doses of ginger's therapeutic compounds, offering targeted support for specific health concerns. Harvesting and preparation. Ginger rhizomes are typically harvested when the plant reaches maturity, usually after several months of growth. The rhizomes are washed, peeled, and sliced or grated for culinary use, or dried for herbal preparations. Fresh ginger can be stored in the refrigerator for several weeks, while dried ginger retains its potency for longer periods. You can even store fresh ginger in the freezer, just slicing or grating off what you need while it is still frozen. Breakdown of main uses. Supports iron absorption and is an aid in anemia. Treats indigestion and supports gastric emptying. Reduces muscle pain. Relieves morning sickness and motion sickness. Relieves symptoms of spondylosis. Improves circulation in the feet and hands. Remedy for chilblains. Remedy for flu, cough, and respiratory problems. Controls fever. Relieves headaches. Please note, ginger is safe for both internal and external use. However, since it increases the risk of bleeding, this plant interacts with medications that reduce blood clotting and should not be taken along with such drugs. Embracing ginger's healing essence. Ginger's enduring legacy as a culinary and medicinal marvel reflects its profound impact on human health and well-being. From soothing digestive woes to invigorating the spirit, Ginger's therapeutic embrace offers comfort and vitality in equal measure. As we honor ginger's botanical brilliance, let us cultivate a deeper appreciation for its gifts and integrate its warm essence into our daily lives. May ginger's healing touch inspire us to embrace wellness and vitality with every sip and every bite.